Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura Giga X7 and we're testing the milk function. So let's make a cappuccino.
Oh, you can't push it.
Oops. Sorry, I was looking at what I was doing on the video.
No jump?
So we got a report that the milk is sputtering, but it doesn't really look like it's sputtering to me. Seems to be pumping pretty good. I do know that I do see that there's not a lot of froth in the milk, which could, is an issue potentially, but I should see what the settings are for the cappuccino. Obviously it'll start sputtering if you run out of milk. It's gonna, that's interesting. All of a sudden we started getting nice foam. When I press the button. Wow, this one puts a lot of milk in there. But yeah, it made really good foam once it started foaming. I'm gonna stop it or else it's we're gonna overfill here. Okay, we're gonna test the cappuccino function again. We had a little sputtering at the beginning, but you'll get that as the hose is filling up. That doesn't seem abnormal to me. Okay, so it looks like it is programmed to start milk foaming. So it goes from basically hot milk to foaming milk in the middle of the shot, and it looks like it's doing well to me. And I'm going to stop it because it's going to go a long time. Alright, so thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.